Hello everybody and welcome back to Ours Trains. My name is Corey and in today's video we head back to July of 2021 when I was on my great train vacation. Now for my 7th stop on my train vacation, my family and I had to go to the world famous Cass Scenic Railroad in Cass, West Virginia. Now, like many of the other places on my train vacation, I've wanted to visit Cass for such a long time and it was so much fun. I loved it. It's the first time I've ever seen a Shay locomotive in my entire life. So for those who don't know what a Shay or Climax locomotive is, real quick, those are steam locomotives designed to go up steep and heavy grades and pull freight trains or passenger trains or whatever. So they're not designed to go fast, but they're designed like a tractor to really pull up a tough grade. So it was awesome what we saw when we went. Cass number 2, which was a Lima Locomotive Works Shay class locomotive, was pulling the day's train, which would head up to the Bald Knob Mountain and come back down. I believe it was a 2-hour round trip and we didn't have that much time, obviously, because we were driving all over the place, but we had to catch the train going outbound for the day. So while I don't have too much footage, I still think y'all are really gonna like what I caught, and it is so, I have to go back in the fall. It's such a beautiful railroad out there. I really like it. I think y'all are really gonna like what I got, and especially some of the close-up shots I got of the locomotive and the echo and the echo in the mountains. I love it so much. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and smash that like button while you're at it. But anyways, I invite y'all to sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video on the Cass Scenic Railroad.